Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to do the charging speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the OnePlus 8T device. So this both phones, they do have the two things in common. So one is the battery capacity and second is the charging speed as well. I mean 65 watts and 65 watt. So both are rapid charge only friends, and let's see which phone will be able to charge faster. That's what I'm going to exactly check in this video, and which phone will be maintaining very low temperatures as well. And in the beginning, the both phones are very low temperatures, as you can clearly see, 29 degrees and 29 degrees, same temperatures only both phones are maintaining. And I'll try to write down the charging speed for every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and full charge, and 50% battery capacity, which phone can actually reach faster. That's what I'll try to focus during this time of demonstration. So first, let me need to connect the both phones chargers. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones are completely dead to I think close to 1% exactly. And let's start the charging test exact from the battery percentage 1%. That's what I'm going to exactly start in this test. Let me need to close the lock screen, and you should be able to see the SuperDot Rapid Charge. Rapid Charge 65 watts is enabled in both phones. As you can see, Rapid Charge, and even the OnePlus Nord 2 also will be able to detect the rapid charging. So both phones are charging with the rapid charge 65 watts only, and the stopwatch is also started, and we got to know the temperatures in the beginning. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes to check the temperatures, which phone has got what type of battery capacity and the temperature readings. So right now we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of continuously charging the both phones, OnePlus Nord 2 and the OnePlus 8T. So here comes the 10 minutes, and let's see which phone has got what type of charging capacity, and this is going to be really interesting. As I said, both phones are same battery capacity and same charging speeds. So let's see which phone gonna get what kind of result. Exactly 10 minutes, I'll try to turn on the both screens, lock screens, and 10 minutes you can see the 34% in the OnePlus 8T, and in the OnePlus Nord 2 we charge it to 45%, 34 and 45. This is a charging speed comparison between both phones. Now let's check the temperatures, how much it is. In the OnePlus Nord it's of 34.6 degrees, on the back side 33.8 and 34.4. So all 34 degrees in the OnePlus Nord 2, and in the OnePlus 8T it's also 34 degrees. So both phones are completely same in terms of the temperatures, maintaining only 34 degrees in terms of the 34 Celsius during the time of testing. Not bad. So again, I'll be back. Let's see which phone can actually charge 50% faster. I do know the OnePlus Nord 2 can charge faster, so it may take close to 11 minutes, 30 seconds or 40 seconds to charge, because right now it's about 49% exactly. So it should not be that much kind of long time. But for OnePlus Nord 2, it's taken slightly more time. So less than 27 minutes remaining. That's what the message says. So 27 minutes plus 11 minutes. Maybe it might be close to 40 minutes, somewhere around that. 38 minutes and 40 minutes. 50% charge in 11 minutes of time in the OnePlus Nord 2. So again, I'll be back after 20 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly kind of 20 minutes of continuously charging the OnePlus 8T and the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see which one has got what kind of battery percentage. And OnePlus 8T took about 15 minutes to charge 50% of the battery. OnePlus Nord 2 took 11 minutes. So OnePlus 8T slightly more time. But let's see in the 20 minutes of time which phone will be charging what kind of battery capacity. So let's, OnePlus 8T is of 63% and 80%. OnePlus Nord 2, you can see 63 and 80. Let me try to write down the readings. So 63% and 80%. And the temperatures, let's check which one has got what kind of temperatures. 34 degrees. OnePlus Nord 2 still maintaining 34 degrees, and OnePlus 8T is also maintaining 34 degrees. So both phones are completely similar. OnePlus 8T is slightly 35 degrees. 35 degrees. OnePlus 8T 34 degrees only. So 34 degrees the OnePlus Nord 2, and 35 degrees the OnePlus 8T. 34 Celsius and 35 Celsius. These are the temperatures about the both phones. So again, I'll be back when the phone gets kind of close to 99%, because the OnePlus Nord 2 usually takes about close to 28 minutes and 27 minutes, 29 minutes to charge 100%. That's what I'm going to exactly check you in this time of testing. And let's see, again I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the time is about close to 27 minutes of time. 27 minutes the OnePlus Nord 2 charge it to 99% of the battery in 27 minutes. And at this range, the OnePlus 8T is about 84%. OnePlus 8T. So let's see how much more time the OnePlus Nord 2 takes to charge 100% of battery capacity. So it should not be much time. As I said, it was every time kind of close to 28 minutes only. So right now it's still 99%. So finally it took about 28 minutes to charge 100% battery capacity in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. 28 minutes. But the thing is that right now it's still showing you the charging symbol. So it's still not yet charged. So that's what the few of the users they asked me to make a video. So don't try to end up this charging test here itself. Try to continue until we get a message saying completely charged. We'll get that message, but sometimes it takes 5 minutes and 10 minutes as well. Let's see how much more time the OnePlus Nord 2 takes to get that message. And meanwhile, the OnePlus 8T is about 87%. So right now exactly 30 minutes, the OnePlus 8T charged to 88% of the charging capacity. As you can see, 88%. So exactly around 30 minutes, let me have to write down the ratings. And the OnePlus Nord. So right now, as you can see, friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 is slightly taking more time than usual. So right now it's kind of 99%. You can clearly see here, it's taking slightly more time. But the OnePlus Nord 2 completely stopped charging. So you can see it showed the message saying that charged as well in the OnePlus Nord 2 exactly. So at the time of about close to 36 minutes of time, the phone completely stopped charging at all. The OnePlus Nord 2, 36 minutes. And the OnePlus 8T is slightly taking more time. So here we go. As you can see, still it's showing only 99%. It's charged to exact 100%. As you can see, friends, finally 43 minutes of time the OnePlus 8T took to charge. 43 minutes. So you can see the difference how it is between both phones, even though both are having the similar kind of battery capacity and kind of rapid charge 65 watt. But still the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to charge very much faster than the OnePlus 8T. In my charging test, this is what I came to know about both phones as well. In case if you are interested, and it showed the charge symbol as well. Charged. Okay, it's not charging, it's charged. That's completely end. That's it. So 43 minutes of total time the OnePlus 8T took, and total time the OnePlus Nord 2 took about 36 minutes if you consider the complete charging. So 36 minutes versus 43 minutes. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. In case if you are interested in any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. So see you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.